In this video, I'm going to be showing you how this platform works, and also for those of you that are in need of crypto loans, you guys to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be showing you this platform which you can use to get crypto loans, and it is very easy to use. Don't worry, just stay to the end and you understand how to make use of this platform to get crypto loans and also how it really works. So before I proceed, I want you to know that this video is for educational purpose only, and this is not a financial advice. Also, I am not a financial advisor. I am just checking possible ways of earning opportunity online. Then I share the content on my channels so you can learn from it. So make sure you take note of this. So with that being said, let's us continue. So one of the interesting stuff about this platform is that users can get crypto loans from it, and I'm going to explain how that is really done in this video. So to do that, I will just go to this icon at the top here. So if I click on this, it's going to open this section where you can see loans, you can see trading, you can see cloud miner, turbocharge, and transactions. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the loans section in the platform first. And you can see, if I click on the loan section, you can see that at this page, you can see that they are saying don't sell crypto, use cash. So what they mean here is that crypto backed loan allow you to keep hold lean and get cash for regular needs at the same time. You can see here the APR of the loan varies based on the choosing LTV, ranging from 3% to 30%. So to understand this much, you can play this video here and you are going to understand what they are trying to say right here. So to get the loan, you can just click on create new loan here. You can come to this. After clicking on that, you can see the crypto collateral. You can enter the amount. If it's on USDT, you can enter the amount which you want to get loan. You can see that you can get the loan amount on euro and USD, that is USD dollars. So you can see this is the two major amount the two major fiat currency you can use to get the loan, and the collateral is on crypto assets. So you can see that's why you're seeing USDT and other forms of crypto assets at that section. So you can see that you select the amount of collateral which you want to use, then the loan amount, and right here you can see that this is the percentage of the collateral which you can borrow. Like for example, if you have up to 100 USDT, you can borrow, or you can get the loan of about 97 USDT. That's why I say 97%. That's why they say that percentage of your collateral value that you can borrow. So for example, if you have up to $100 in this wallet, you can borrow up to 97% of that $100, and they are going to release the loan on either USD or EUR. You can see the two major fiat currency that the loan can be released to you. So you can see at this section, you can see that they are saying loan fees, and you can see that 0 USD a day or 10% APR. So at this section, they are saying that 0.0274% is charged per day, and you can see that is about 10% APR. This fee will be deducted from your wallet as long as you have sufficient funds. If your funds are insufficient, the daily fee will be raised to 0.0301% per day, which is 11 APR. So you can see, so this is what they are saying about the loan fee. So you can also go through it very carefully and understand. And you can see that the loan duration, it varies for up to 364 days. That is about 1 year and so you can see you have the option to close the loan anytime before the due date. The loan period is adaptable. There is no obligation for you to fully repay the loan within 364 days. That is 364 days or less. So you can see that these are what they are saying about the loan duration. So if you go down, you can see more information about this. So you can see, you can read this and you understand very carefully on how this loan stuff works in this platform. So you can see that you can get the app on app Play Store, that is App Store if you are using an iOS, and you can also get it on Google Play. So you can get it on Google Play if you are using an Android. So you can see this is available both on iOS and also on Android device. So this platform also have other things that they offer. You can see their trading activities here too. You can go on trading and the rest, and they have also cloud miner options. But in the video I just want to talk about the loan section only. Maybe next in another video I'll come down and talk about this cloud miner, turbocharge and trading section of the platform. So go to the portfolio section here. At the portfolio section you can see where they wrote add money, send money, buy crypto, convert and trade and all that. So it actually works like a normal exchange also, but the major reason why I made a video about this platform is because of the loan or crypto loan opportunity that they offer. So I'm going to be dropping the details which you need to create an account for yourself and see this for yourself, or if you're interested in trying this out, I'm going to be dropping the details which you are going to use to get an account for yourself, which you can get it. Try this out by yourself and you can see for yourself. So I'm going to be dropping that link in the description section of this video if you're watching from YouTube, and if you're watching from TikTok, I'm going to be dropping that in the comment section. And if you're watching from Telegram or any of my Telegram channels, you can go below the video, you can see the link there or the details which you can use to create an account and see for yourself. And note this, I will be rewarded some specific commissions if you use my rebate details to create an account for yourself at no cost. They're not going to charge you for using my rebate details, so please note that and take note of that. So that's it, and this is what I have to share with you in this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And please, before you leave, make sure you like and share this video to people that you know that is going to need it. And you can see this is a educational content that I just dropped for you, and it can be of use to you. So that's it, and this is where I'm going to be leaving you. And also don't forget to join my Telegram channels and my TikTok account so that you don't miss any interesting update I'm going to be dropping there. If you are watching from YouTube and if you are watching from any other side, just make sure you are in all my social media communities so that you don't miss any interesting update I'm going to be dropping for you. So in my channel I drop real and legit ways of earning in cryptos, so something like maybe crypto investment, crypto earning and crypto loan and all the stuff. I do drop all that stuff in my channel, and let's say anything concerning online earning, I drop that in my channel. So that is what I do, and this is the kind of content I drop on my channels. So make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on if you're interested in all that type of stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be seeing you next in the next video. Peace.